Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Misty. This is my channel, Misty at Skeeter Jones, and this is a different thing for me. I don't really do this very often. I don't really have occasion to, but I just got the most amazing product in the world for me right now from a shop on Etsy that I want to tell you about, and I'm going to unbox the item. And I would show you the box that it shipped in, but I filmed the unboxing part first and I'm filming the intro second, so I don't really have an intact box to show you right now. But this is my workspace usually. Right there are my February packages that'll be shipping out today and tomorrow. These are all of the things coming up for March. As you know, I'm filming ahead right now, trying to get everything uploaded through the end of April because we have a few things going on. My oldest is getting married. My middle one just graduated college and is on his career search. My youngest is about to graduate from a military college. And so we have a few things going on right now, a lot of balls in the air to juggle, and I need to stay organized. So I bought myself the old school paper day planner that I used to use way back in the day when I was a sales assistant and writing contracts in the corporate environment. And I wanted to get back to that. I had my day planner that's in my phone, my planner app, but it's just not the same as writing it down on paper. I just love that. So anyway, I wanted an attractive way to keep all of that in place and make it look nice while it's sitting out. And this product that I got fit the bill. And I'll let the rest of the video do the talking about all of that. Just wanted to point out this shop that's on Etsy. A lot of times when I go to Etsy, I'm very disappointed in what I find there because I thought Etsy, when it first started, was supposed to be more all about individual creators and things curated that you can't find in mass market. And actually, if you want to avoid mass market things, that you could go to Etsy for that. But I had to weed through a lot of mass market items. And I was getting really, really disappointed and happened upon this channel. And a few of them I messaged because they looked really convincingly like they were just small shops, artisans. And so I'd message them, and then as soon as you get a reply back, you can tell if it's a mass producing company from overseas. And that's what they all were until I hit this one, and it's veteran owned, which I have the greatest respect for anybody who goes into a profession where they're willingly putting their safety and their life on the line solely to protect other people. I just have the highest level of respect for that, and I want to support our veterans anytime I can. So I was able to do that with this purchase, and also he got input from his wife, so that's great too. So anyway, I'm going to go camera down now and show you this amazing thing that I got from 320 Leatherworks on Etsy. Highly recommend this seller. So if you need any good leather products, go there. They'll be handmade with excellence. So I'll quit gabbing now. I'm just going to go camera down and let you see this amazing product that I got from 320 Leatherworks. The crafter's name is John Walton. Here it is, and I'm so excited. Here is the name of the Etsy shop, 320 Leatherworks, and it's John Walton. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, but it is a veteran-owned business, and I'm so excited. Yeah, I've already explained all of that to you, to be able to support that, but still also very excited to be unboxing this for you for my February 27th video. My custom made leather day planner binder cover. So that was a mouthful, but I'm really excited to get into it. So let's get to it. It's very nicely packaged. And John gave me permission to open this on camera. Of course, not, I guess that people need permission to do that. I just like to ask just because. And as we were doing this, he realized that there would be issues along the way, and he messaged me every time he thought, wait, you know, when I was thinking about this or that aspect of the design, you know, there might be this challenge with that. And so he would always keep me aware of everything. And at one point, even his wife had brought something up to him, and she worked together with him on the design. So I was really, really excited to know that he was getting input from the wife. Okay, I cut that part out because it was getting pretty noisy opening this box, but it's nicely packed with air cushions. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so here we go. He is a leather crafter, so he handmade this according to my specifications. It wasn't like anything on his shop, so I just said, hey, can you make something that looks like this and this and this? And he said, of course I can. So let's see, let me cover up all of the pertinent information. There we go. Leather 3-ring binder cover. Hello, here's your listing for a dark brown leather cover for a full size 1-inch 3-ring binder with D-rings. And that was important to me, and he took his time to, well, didn't take his time as in like he wasn't getting around to it, but he wanted to make sure that he got exactly what I wanted instead of settling for something different. So he was really thorough with it, is what I meant, with a flap that snaps and a pen holder. And those are all the features that I asked for. So I'm really, really getting more excited the closer I get to seeing this. I know it's late to be just getting a day planner going. I should have had that in place since, you know, the beginning of January. But since the beginning of January, I've been using, you know, this Dollar General binder that my youngest son had when he was in high school. So here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at the quality here. It's stitched all the way around the edges very nicely. And there was a whole story to this strap right here, which I love. This was not the original design that we first talked about, having this strap, but he worked with me, and that's something we agreed on. And this final one, it went kind of back and forth for a while we were kicking around ideas. And this final rendition of it was his idea, and I really love it. So it's stitched all the way around. Look right here. This is down the edge where the flap is. This is here's the front, you know, right there. And then along where the flap attaches, this beautiful little cross stitching. And this is not a planner cover on its own. This is a cover for a binder. So the binder I just showed you is going to be dressed up very, very nicely. And look at this. The leather just feels amazing. It feels like old, it feels like 1990s Coach leather is what that feels like. The glove tanned Coach leather from the 90s. That's exactly what this feels like. And it smells amazing, as leather does. And look, oh, and he even, okay. Well, I said I was going to put mine in there, but I'm going to go with the one he has in here. So he's already put a binder in there, which, yeah, I knew that a binder was coming, but he already has it inside. He has the 2 flap pockets here on each end that the binder cover goes into. Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And one thing I do, of course, this is something that just came with the binder. I keep my ruler right there. So great, perfect. The reason I wanted D-rings is so that my pages would lay flat and turn smoothly and lay the way I want them to lay when my planner is open. Then when it's closed, it stays on my bar in the kitchen. And just look, like over in a corner of the bar, And just look how beautiful that's going to look on my kitchen counter. Or not kitchen counter, but on my bar. It kind of separates my kitchen from my living room area. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some pages in there. And here's that cross stitching that's visible from the back. There it is right there inside the front cover. So here we go. I'm going to take these pages out. I'll just put these first few ones here in the beginning. I have all kinds of plans already going in my planner, even though I started it late. I have my oldest is getting married, and my middle one just graduated college and is doing the job search thing, and my youngest is just about to graduate. So there we go. Let's close that up and just look. Okay, it's got the D-ring, so it's going to lay nice and flat and beautiful. Love it. So there are gorgeous things on his store on Etsy, but none of them were exactly what I wanted, you know. And like I said at the top of the video, the other channels that I looked at were really just mass-produced things from overseas. And I wanted something that was really handcrafted. And I love, love, love the aspect of supporting our veterans. So if all of those things are appealing to you too, I highly, highly recommend 320 Leatherworks. And the artist is John Walthen, and his beautiful wife assists him, I suppose. She assisted him with this. They work together, and I really love the product. So thank you so much, John. And if you're looking for any quality leather, I really recommend going and giving 320 Leatherworks, give John Walthen's store a shot at your business. I think you will not regret it. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with someone else who you think might also enjoy it, and with someone else who might want some good quality leather work, handcrafted. And I'll just see you in the next video. Bye.